We're so thankful that today is a wellness day for civil servants, and we're so fortunate that today we have our street kids in Lautoka that we playing with them for this wellness day program for the Western Division. We have Divisional Manager West and all the representatives from the Ministry of Youth and Sports here in the West, taking time out to mix with the young ones that have been living in the city of Lautoka. And as I've said, we are quite fortunate today to be with them. I think most of the time they're very reluctant to come out to face the camera, to face the public. But today we're having a good time with them, playing volleyball, and we're so thankful for them. What started off in last year for Christmas on the Park, we're just picking up from that, looking after our street kids, those that have left home, that have come to the city area to live with their peers. Some are telling us that they're not getting the love from home, and that's why they have left home. So the question we have is that who else will look after them? If we won't look after our young people, then who else will look after them? I believe the government is taking effort, taking all the effort to look after our kids, our young ones especially. They are the future of our nation. So it's important that we look after them now. We've taken that initiative with Christmas on the Park last year. For the Ministry of Youth and Sports, we didn't have our Christmas party. That was our Christmas party, to enjoy with the street kids in Suva. We gave them gifts and provided dinner for them on the 22nd of December last year. So we are picking up from that activity we had last year. So what you're seeing today is something. It's just a start of what will eventually be Easter on the Park. Easter on the Park for our street kids in the West. So we would love to spend Easter with them. We would love to take them to church, to enjoy other benefits that other children in the family will enjoy during Easter. So that's the whole thing behind this. We don't want anyone to be left behind. So it's important that we take the initiative, take the effort, sacrifice for our staff. It may mean staying away from home, to come and mix around with the young people that are here in the city of Lautoka, Nandi, Ba, and other towns in the West.